Hi, James Acuna, Sunset RV. Thanks for clicking on the link. Check out our quick video on the 2013 Forest River Blue Ridge 3025 fifth wheel trailer. Stock number N416. This size kitchen with the center island. We have a standalone dinette, 2 leather rocking chairs, leather sofa with air mattress, large flat screen TV, fireplace, and a large double sink. This fifth wheel has central vac system with the toe kick quick vac for dust that you've swept up. Large bedroom, washer dryer hookups, queen size bed. Once again, thanks for looking. My name is James. Please call me at the number above today for more information and today's special internet pricing. Have a good day.